For years, the H-1B visa lottery in the United States felt like a game of chance, where most applicants they walked away disappointed. Well, the odds were extremely tough, often hovering about 1 in 3 or roughly about 33%. But ladies and gentlemen, in a surprising turn of events in 2026, the selection rate it has jumped sharply, with some cases reporting success rates as high as 60 to 75%. Now, on the surface, this looks like a great news for the applicants, right? Specifically the Indian professionals who dominate the H-1B pipeline. However, the real story behind this dramatic rise, it is far more complex. Well, the increase in selection rate is not because more visas are being issued. Well, the annual cap, it still remains at 85,000. Instead, the major reason is a sharp decline in the number of applicants. Well, as compared to the previous year when applications crossed 700,000, the number has now dropped significantly to about 200,000 to 235,000. Well, this massive fall in demand, it has naturally increased the probability of selections for those who still chose to apply. Well, a key factor behind this particular drop in the policy shift, well, it is none other than US President Mr. Donald Trump. One of the most impactful changes has been introduction of a steep $100,000 fee for the hiring of new H-1B workers from outside the US. And this has made international hiring extremely expensive for the employers. As a result, many companies, specifically universities, hospitals, and even large tech firms, they have reduced or completely paused hiring the foreign workers through the H-1B route. Well, since these sectors, they previously contributed a large share of applicants, their exit, it has significantly reduced the competition now. At a time, the structure of the H-1B lottery itself has been redesigned. The earlier random lottery system has been replaced with a weighted selection process. Basically, this particular new system, it gives preference to the applicants with higher salaries and more experience. Now, in practical terms, this means that senior professionals and high wage earners, they now have a much better chance of selection, while fresh graduates and lower paid applicants, they face reduced chances. Some immigration firm, they have reported selection rate succeeding 70% for the top salary bracket, highlighting how this particular system now favors a specific category of the applicants here. Wait, another contributing factor is the changing hiring pattern in the technology sector. Tech companies, which have historically been among the largest users of H-1B visas, they are now slowing down recruitment with increasing investment in AI and automation. Many firms, they are focusing a fewer but more experienced hires. So this shift, it has reduced the overall demand for a new visa applicants, further shrinking the pool. Additionally, many employers, they have adopted a very cautious approach due to the ongoing policy uncertainty, choosing to delay or avoid participation in the lottery altogether. It's very important to note that current situation may not be permanent though. The $100,000 H-1B visa fee and other policy changes are facing legal challenges in the US court. If these rules they are modified or even struck down, then the number of applications they could rise again, bringing back the intense competition seen in previous year. Moreover, proposed regulations to increase minimum wage requirement for the H-1B workers, it could further reshape the program in near future. Well, for now, the higher selection rate represents a temporary window of opportunity, but one that is clearly titled towards experienced and higher paid professions. While the improved odds they may appear encouraging, they come with a significant shift in who benefits from the system.